Isang Thanksgiving party ang dinaluhan ng Kapuso Stars, GMA executives at industry partners ngayong gabi para sa 75th anniversary ng GMA Network. Tunghayan sa report ni Aubrey Carampel.
Ang OOTD na guests and attendees sunod sa temang Denim and Diamonds na sumasalamin sa makulay, makinang at matatag na kasaysayan ng Kapuso Network sa loob ng 75 taon. Present ang Kapuso Executive sa pangunguna ni Chairman of the Board Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr., Executive Vice President and CFO Felipe S. Yalong, GMA Chief Marketing Officer Lizel Maralag at iba pang matataas na opisyal ng network. Dumating din in their stylish and chic denim and diamonds fit sina Dingdong Dantes, Alden Richards, Barbie Forteza, Michael V., pati na ang mga Kapuso Love Teams. Naroon din ang mga personalities ng GMA Integrated News, Public Affairs at DZBB.
Maraming mga hinahandang magagandang mga programa and pelikula this year. Surprise na lang, I can't announce them yet, but a lot of big projects are in the works for our 75th anniversary.
Bihira yung ganitong opportunity to be with our fellow Kapuso artists, but more importantly to be with our advertisers. Kasi syempre, yun talaga yun yung fuel ng trabaho natin, di ba, sa industriyang ito, lalo na sa television. Kung wala sila, wala yung mga programa na ginagawa natin. That's why it's an evening to give thanks, di ba? And also to talk about ideas kasama ng ating mga minamahal na advertisers, di ba? And of course, pati mga boss at yung mga Kapuso artists na.
We're very happy and it has been a while since nagkaroon tayo ng Thanksgiving for the brands that has been supporting the network, and medyo nakakamiss din to have these kinds of events. You know, parang this should be done annually talaga, or at least wag naman once in a blue moon, kasi syempre the partnerships that we have with the brands and yung mutual relationship that we have with them is what sustains the network.
As we celebrate our diamond anniversary this year, we look back at 75 years of changes made, challenges met, and relationships and partnerships we are profoundly grateful to have built around the world. Relationships and partnerships which have enabled us to continue to grow and fulfill our unwavering commitment to serve by providing quality content to entertain, inform, and enrich the lives of the Filipinos wherever.
Aubrey Carampel, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.
Huwag magpahuli sa mga balitang dapat niyong malaman. Mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube.